Y'all, I'm not even really a ponytail girl. Easy to do. Anybody can do this style. Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Krystle and I'm back today with another slay. We got a cute little ponytail look that I'm about to show y'all how to get together, and I'm giving you all the tea. So go ahead and grab you some gel, get some edge control, and start parting your hair. I parted my hair in about 4 or 5 sections, added product to each section, and then brushed it up into one ponytail. And that is what you guys see me doing here. Parting your hair just makes it easier to work with. I have 4C natural hair, so y'all, I need all the easy that I can get, okay? So I am getting this hair all brushed up into a ponytail. I'm also going in and using some edge control, and I'm gonna brush that product in as well and get this hair up into a ponytail. I know I'm glistening, y'all, but no worries with that. I'm going to take my scarf and set this ponytail so that my hair is laying as flat as possible. But before I do that, I am going in and just adding some cute little swoops. I already had that edge control that I applied earlier, so I'm not having to really add any additional product at this point. I'm just using what was already there and swooping those swoop-de-doops. Y'all know how I do. So the hair that we are using today is from Expression. It is their Springy twist out hair. I'm using 3 of those bundles, taking a thick scrunchie, pulling it through like you see here, and that remaining loop is what you're going to use to attach it to your ponytail. Y'all, did you guys see that? How easy can this get? Now I am kind of taking apart some of those little defined curls at the end because I do want this to look as realistic as possible. Okay, you guys, so I have installed my puff. Oh my goodness, I am so happy with how this turned out. I'm just gonna kind of go over what I love about this style because I don't have any cons. Everything turned out the way that I wanted it to turn out. Y'all, I mean, look at this hair. And this is, y'all, we're gonna get into the details. Okay, so I want to give a huge shout out to Divatress for sponsoring today's video. They were nice enough to send me the Outre Twisted Up Springy Afro Twist 16 inches, okay? This is what the model is looking like. Typically, this hair would be used for like a braided style, but I actually saw Chef B. If you are not subscribed to her channel, go check her out. I love her. And she is who inspired me to go for this look and try it out. So Divatress was nice enough to send this out to share with you guys. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I hope you enjoy this style as much as I do. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut to the chase. Y'all, this is such an easy style for summer. I mean, for any time, but especially the summertime when you're not trying to fool with all the wigs and stuff. This is perfect. This took me maybe 30 minutes to completely do. This was my first time, so I was kind of like really working on, you know, my foundation, which is this ponytail underneath. But once you get your hair slicked back and in that ponytail, you are good to go. You guys saw in the install, it took 3 of the pieces, which one pack comes with 3 pieces, and I believe the pack is like less than $10. I will link where you can find this Afro twist hair so that you can achieve it too, because I already know y'all about to be walking around with cute puffs, okay? Not to mention, it matches my hair texture perfectly. Like, do y'all see this? This is perfect. So I hope you guys are loving it. It's very easy to install. The hair is soft. It's up off of my neck. This hair is up in a ponytail. It has that large density look, but it's not heavy. Easy to do. Anybody can do this style. So I hope you guys love this. This is a style that you can achieve for less than $10 because that's how much it was. Use your products at home. A few different products that this was my first time using, which was also inspired by Chef B, is this Edge Booster Gel. Whenever she was talking about it, I was like, as she showed the consistency on camera, I said, oh no, I got to get some of this. Like, let me do this so y'all can see. Do y'all see the consistency of this? Like, go and get you some of this Edge Booster Gel because I really feel like this. I still had a few flyaways, which I feel, you know, it was because I didn't let the ponytail set long enough. And I probably should have used like some black wraps and let it set. But I do feel like this Edge Booster Gel really helped me achieve this slick back ponytail better than if I would have just used some regular Eco Styler gel and my edge control. So y'all, go and get this. I will link it down below. This is one of my favorite edge control. I use it for all of my girls here. Like, I have 2 daughters, so yeah, we love this edge control. I will link this down below too. These two combined really changed the game with getting this ponytail slick back and rolling. Okay, so I hope you guys go and check it out and let me know what you guys are thinking down in the comments. Is this something that you would achieve? I'm not really a ponytail girl, but when I saw Chef B doing it, and then I also saw Kyra Sean doing it, and huge shout out to her because she is always dropping like the cutest content, and she's hilarious. So, and I recently found out she's a twin mommy, and y'all know I'm a twin mommy, so I was like, no wonder I love her. So y'all go check her out too. She did this exact same style. It looked absolutely gorgeous on her. So y'all, I'm not even really a ponytail girl, but I saw those two ladies snatch the mess out of these ponytail styles, and I just had to try it, and I'm glad I did. Like, do y'all see this? Super cute, okay? So y'all run out, click on Amazon, order you some Springy Afro twists from Outre, and get y'all ponytail slick back and ready to go for the summer. Okay, short, sweet, and to the point. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Again, another huge shout out to Divatress. Thank you guys so much for sending this out to me. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button. Make sure your notifications are on by clicking that notification bell, and drop me some love down in the comments. Let me know what you guys are thinking. If you're loving it, do you like it on me? Are you about to get it? Is it in the cart, sis? Okay. You could probably find this at your local beauty supply too, but I love you guys, and I will see you in the next slay. Bye, y'all.